Hello friends, let's discuss about printing the order book, the complete order book, which is also called as L2 or L3 printing of the order books. In the previous video, we discussed about level 1, which only gives the best bid or the best ask residing in our order books. But for the printing the order book, this method will print the complete order book that we have. So if you go back to the implementation, it's should be again very straightforward, same as print level 1. In print level 1, we're using peak method, which is only getting the top of the order book. But here, we don't need to do anything. We just need to iterate through our order book priority queue and buy orders priority queue and simply print it. So we are just going to use for each. Just note that one thing is that when we are adding our order to our order books, because we are using priority queue, so it will be always in a desired format. Desired format means that the order with the best time priority would be placed at the top, and similarly for both bid and ask for the both buy and sell order books. And when we display it using for each, it would be printed in the same order, which means that if we are printing the order book for the sell orders, the sell order book which is having the best time priority, which is the least price and earliest time, that would be appearing first, and then subsequently the prices with having the worst price would be like placed at the bottom. So while printing this, what I want to say is that while printing, it will maintain that price time priority, whether we are printing it for buy or sell orders. And again, because we are using for each loop, it would be O and time complexity. It's quite similar to what we did for linked list as well, in which it was having just for each loop, in which we were just using ON. Because whenever we are adding it, whether it's a linked list or a priority queue based our order book, every time it will maintain that price and time priority. So let's go back to here and so whatever the test cases that we have created here, it's already every time we are printing the order. So let's go back to our test case. So in our setup method itself, we can see that whenever I'm adding like 3 sell orders and 3 buy orders, right? So every time it will check, it will use our price time logic. So you can check the previous videos where whenever I'm adding or matching an order. So I'm maintaining that price time priority while adding it to our data structure, which is based on priority queue. So it will maintain that price time priority for all the 3 sell orders and all the 3 buy orders. And the expected output would be exactly same. I mean, we should see that the buy order with the maximum price would be placed at the top of the book. And similarly for the sell order, which is like received earliest and which is having the lowest price would be placed at the top. And when we create this order book, this add order method will maintain that price time parity. And when we print it, I should expect that it should be displaying like this. For example, as you can see that the price it's maintaining that price time priority. For sell orders, the lowest price is placed at the top of at here. But when we print it, it will be appearing at the top of the order book. So this is having the highest priority for sell. This is a second priority. This is a third priority. So it will be printed in the reverse order. Similarly for the buy, as we can see that the top is having the lowest price and the earliest, and the time is also good. So that's why it will display in this order 5, 4, and 6. So let's run our test case and see whether our expectation is correct, our unit test is correct. So I'll come here and then I will just run any of the methods. For example, I will just run this test level 1. Let me run this, because it will all implicitly call the setup method first, and then we can see that how the order book has been printed. So we can see that the current order book, which is the level 2 or level 3, whatever you say. For the sell orders, we see that the highest in the top of the book is having order ID 2, 20.25, then the order ID 1, and then 3. So it's already sorted in a form of price time priority. If you look at our this order book diagram, so we can see that 2, 1, and 3. It displays like 2, 2, 1, and 3, right? Similarly for buy orders, the best price, the best bid order is 20.2 with order ID 5, and then 4, and then 6. Similarly, we can see that it's 4, 5, 4, and 6. Sorry. So 5, 4, and 6. This is what we can see now. So our expectation is correct. Now for again for print level 1, we can see that the best ask and best bid are displayed accordingly. So this covers our printing of like level 1 and level 3 order book. In the next video, we'll see how to when we cancel an order using priority queue, what is the priority and how we can design that cancellation. So see you all in the next video.